Once you start the unit, it will show the date, then time, then operate set key to continue. So now I will explain you how to set the dosage. This is set wherein you can select dosage or time based on your convenience. Then you have to operate left arrow key to operate in a time mode. Now you can set the controller in time mode. Now go to enter, then use the numerical keypad, set. Now you have set the time 5 minutes for NBVV. So now once you press enter, then therapy will start. So it will say switched on, please wait. So you can see the light coming over here already. All the tubes are glowing, which are concerned to NBVV in case if you are using a combined therapy controller. So now after the time is elapsed, set time is elapsed, the unit will stop automatically. So now you can in between also you can stop. Now you can see that after pressing stop key, the unit has stopped. Now we can close this. Always make sure that you wear UV protective goggles, both operator as well as patient, which is provided with the unit. Now again it has, you can see the screen here, enter to switch on again. You can see the light glowing there. Again here also you can see the light. Okay. Now I will take you through the dosage mode. I will come from the beginning. Again press stop to abandon if you want to stop the therapy. Then I will go to enter. Then I will press set key. So select right arrow mark to enter into dosage mode. Then you have to enter the dosage here. You can see therapy for dosage. Just set dosage. Now you can see the dosage here. Dosage corresponding to the dosage that is getting delivered, 0030 millijoules, then 4 minutes 15 seconds. Now it is count down, then it will increase. This count time will decrease to ensure that once it reaches 00 it will switch off, and the total dosage that is delivered to a patient inside. Now if you want to stop in between, you can use this key stop once, then if you press again it will abandon the therapy. Once this, the dosage is elapsed, automatically the unit will turn off. So you can use this controller both in time mode as well as dosage mode as per the user's convenience. Now this also has a calibration mode, since it has an angular dosimeter built within the controller. You can see now it is showing operate set key to continue. Then you have set, and enter a right arrow mark. Then it will take you to calibration mode. You can see here 2200 milliwatts per centimeter square is the irradiation level. Yeah, microwatts per centimeter square, 2200 it is reading out. Now if you want to change calibration, then you have to press the password. So after pressing the password, entering the password, it will press enter to continue. Then calibrating process is in place. So now you can see that panels are on automatically, and it will calibrate by itself and set the dosimeter value. This is a controller with built-in dosimeter inside, for angular placement of the tubes for the irradiation measurement. Now you can see there is the lamps are on inside. So it is calculating the dosage. Little bit I have opened to ensure that you are seeing the lamp output. And there you will get an option to select even a single panel also. In case patient wants to get treated only at the one surface of the body, then you can select each and individual panel out of these 4 panels. That selectables will be here with the MCB switches. Whatever you switch it on, the same panel will turn on. So now you can see the lights are turned off, and then it has read the reading as 2198 microwatts per centimeter square. Earlier it was 2200, now it is 2198. Now you can see that it is automatically calibrated using the angular dosimetry system. Thank you.